Welcome to Tech Tip Daily, and today I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can utilize ChatGPT while also making sure you keep your information private. So to begin, simply open up your browser and go to chat.openai.com or chatgpt.com. Make sure you're at the correct URL and open up your chat. Now, to do this, all you have to do to make sure that your chat is private and it's not saved in your chat history or included in the memories of your ChatGPT system is to go up here and turn on temporary chat. It's this little bubble here. This is available for free users and for paid users. It does not make a difference. You're going to go ahead and click that. And now you're in temporary chat, and just like that, you can see this chat won't appear in history, use or update ChatGPT's memory, or be used to train models. For safety purposes, however, we may keep a copy of this chat for up to 30 days. That's just in case of your criminal behavior or something under those lines. But by doing this, there is no memory of your chat saved, and most of your data is not saved for model use, as you can see here, or for anything like that. And you won't have it saved in your chat history, and it won't be archived in your ChatGPT memory if you have that turned on. And then to turn that off, you simply have to just go up here and turn it back off, and then it'll be able to remember all the stuff that you are dealing with as per usual. So once again, it's just this little bubble up here, turn it on, and that's it. And just like that, you'll have your chat history not saved in ChatGPT. So hopefully that was helpful to you guys. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.